Hello beautiful people, welcome again to Dari's Kitchen. So on today's recipe, I'm going to show you on how to make sweet dumplings or kaimati. Kindly watch the video to the end so that you won't miss any step. In a bowl, you'll put 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Then you're going to add in 1 teaspoon of instant yeast. After that, you're going to add in 2 tablespoons of sugar, but you can add less. You can choose to add 1 tablespoon of sugar. After that, you're going to add in warm water gradually and start mixing to form a smooth batter. Make sure your batter is not runny. It should be somehow sticky and thick as shown in the video. So you're going to give it a mix. Make sure you mix it for about 5 to 8 minutes. Then after that, you're going to add in 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. Give it a good mix. You're going to give that a mix until the vanilla essence and the butter is well combined. Then we're going to cover our butter with a cling film and let proof for about 1 hour before frying our dumplings. Guys, thank you so much for always choosing to watch my videos, and if you have any recipe you'll want me to do, kindly let me know in the comment section and I'll be happy to do it for you. After 1 hour, your dumpling batter will be well proven, so you'll remove the cling film and then give it a mix to remove the air bubbles as shown in the video. Since it was my first time cooking kaimati, I decided to use 1 cup of flour, but you can as well double the ingredients to make more kaimatis. You'll start frying your kaimatis under medium heat on a heated oil. My main challenge was making them round, but don't mind the shape. We will hack that next time. So you'll fry the kaimatis until they are nicely golden brown or brown. Then you're going to remove them and set them aside. So make sure the color is as shown. You see they're nicely brown. After that, you're going to set them aside. After that, we're going to make the sugar syrup, which you will use a 1/3 cup of sugar and a 1/3 cup of water. So you're going to let that boil until the sugar becomes sticky. So the sugar will be sticky as shown. Then we're going to add in our kaimatis or dumplings. So make sure you give that a mix. Give it a mix so that every dumplings or kaimati will be well coated with the sugar syrup. So you'll continue to mix until the sugar starts to crystallize on the kaimatis as shown. So make sure your heat is on medium or low so that the sugar won't get burnt. When the kaimatis are well coated with the sugar, you're going to remove them from the heat and transfer them in a plate. Then you're going to let them cool completely. As shown, mine had turned out so well and they look so delicious. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to give me a like, comment and share with others so that they can learn this recipe. As you can see, the dumplings or kaimatis were so soft and they were delicious. I hope you'll give this recipe a try, and don't forget to let me know in the comment section after trying. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. Until next time, bye.